What's up, guys? It's SportsFan19 here. So we've been hearing weird noises like lights flickering, TVs turning off, lights turning off, doors slamming, and all that crap, banging, and yeah, let's go see what it is.
So we
got
got
this
the
app, and
it's not sponsored, but please sponsor us. We're gonna look in this room first, but that room probably has more activity. So let's just like look around first before let's see. All right, we're gonna start looking around. Nothing up there. Come on. I kind of want to get in that room, guys. Just come on. Dude, do that. Probably, dude, stop joking around. I actually don't like him. I'm actually scared of you. Come on. Come on.
There's nothing here.
Come on.
Nothing there. It looks like there's nothing really in this room that.
All right, you ready to go in the other room then?
Yeah.
Here, you go first. Because I'm the cameraman. And you might have to turn on the flashlight. Yeah, let's leave this door open just in case. Come on, move it forward a little bit. Oh, what the actual?
What the? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, no, oh my god. Turn on your flashlight.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, look.
Oh, shit. What is that actually? Yo, here. Oh, ow!
Guys.
Lock the door!